Take a moment now to settle into a comfortable position, allowing your body to find its natural state of ease. Feel the weight of your body sink deeper with each breath as you create a sanctuary of calm within yourself. Let the outside world fade away as you turn inward, connecting with the happiness that has always resided within you. Your breath becomes a gentle rhythm, carrying you to a place of serenity and joy. I am worthy of experiencing deep, authentic happiness. I choose to focus on the good in my life, no matter how small it may seem. My happiness is my responsibility, and I embrace this power. I release the need to control circumstances beyond my influence. Joy flows through me naturally when I allow its space to exist. I find reasons to smile even on difficult days. My heart is open to receiving the simple pleasures of everyday life. I am grateful for this moment exactly as it is. I deserve to feel good without explanation or justification. My happiness is not dependent on outside validation. I notice the beauty that surrounds me in ordinary moments. I choose thoughts that support my emotional well-being. My joy is contagious and uplifts those around me. I listen to what my body and mind need to feel content. I create space in my life for activities that bring me genuine pleasure. I release comparison and embrace my unique path to happiness. I am allowed to outgrow situations that no longer serve my joy. I trust that even after difficult times, happiness returns. I breathe in calm. I breathe out tension. My smile is a gift I give myself first. I notice when joy appears and welcome it fully. I am becoming more attuned to what brings me genuine happiness. I celebrate small victories and quiet triumphs. I actively create moments of delight in my everyday routines. I am worthy of a life filled with laughter and light. I release expectations that rob me of present joy. My happiness exists independent of my achievements. I give myself permission to prioritize my emotional well-being. I am learning to sit with uncomfortable emotions without losing my center. Joy finds me in unexpected moments when I remain open. I notice the warmth of sunshine, the taste of favorite foods, the comfort of familiar voices. I choose to interpret events in ways that preserve my peace. My capacity for happiness grows as I practice gratitude. I am resilient, bouncing back from setbacks with my joy intact. nourish my spirit with activities that light me up from within. I am allowed to feel happy even when others around me do not. My worth is not determined by how productive I am. I welcome playfulness and spontaneity into my life. I release the guilt of feeling good during difficult times. I trust my inner wisdom to guide me toward genuine happiness. I create boundaries that protect my emotional well-being. I am increasingly aware of the thoughts that diminish my joy. I choose to cultivate friendships that encourage my authentic happiness. I find satisfaction in the process, not just in outcomes. My happiness is a form of self-respect. I deserve to feel light, free, and joyful. I acknowledge that happiness comes in waves, and I ride them with grace. I am creating a life aligned with what truly matters to me. My joy requires no explanation or defense. I allow myself to be delighted by simple pleasures. I recognize that happiness is not the absence of problems, but the ability to deal with them. I am enough exactly as I am right now. I give myself permission to laugh loudly and love freely. I find contentment in the quiet moments between activities. I notice the feeling of happiness in my body, the lightness, the warmth, the ease. I am becoming someone who naturally attracts joy into their life. I choose to see possibilities rather than limitations. I am learning to dance with life, even when it changes tempo. I release the need to wait for happiness until I've achieved certain goals. I am worthy of feeling good in my body and mind. I find moments of peace even amidst chaos. I create my own definition of happiness that honors my authentic self. I treat myself with the kindness I would offer a dear friend. My happiness grows stronger when shared with others. I am patient with myself when joy feels distant. I recognize that feeling all emotions makes my capacity for happiness deeper. I am becoming more skilled at returning to center after disruption. I trust that happiness finds me when I create space for it. I listen to the quiet whispers of what truly brings me joy. I allow happiness to flow through me without trying to grasp or contain it. I find contentment in being rather than always doing. I am allowed to outgrow circumstances that no longer bring me joy. I choose relationships that reflect and amplify my inner light. I notice notice moments of happiness and let them sink deeply into my being. I give myself permission to change my mind as I discover what truly brings me joy. Each day offers new opportunities to choose happiness. I am becoming more attuned to the rhythm of my own joy. I fill my life with people and experiences that nourish my spirit. My happiness is a quiet strength that carries me through difficult times. As we come to the end of these affirmations, take another deep breath, feeling the gentle peace that has settled within you. The happiness you've connected with during this practice remains with you, accessible whenever you need it. Carry this inner light with you throughout your day, knowing you can return to these words anytime you need. A reminder of the joy that lives within you. You are worthy of happiness today and always.